Hi, this is Travis Hall with Splunk. I'm a solution engineer that supports public sector. In this video, I'm going to cover a dashboard I built called the Windows Account Management Dashboard. This is a dashboard I've posted on Splunk, and if you have never seen Splunk before, I highly recommend visiting this site. This is a site built by Splunkers for Splunkers, where you can find searches and other dashboards to help look at the events inside of your own environment. So what I'm going to do is go to gosplunk.com/author/thall. I will go near the bottom of the page here and find Windows Account Management Dashboard. So I give a high-level overview of what this dashboard is going to do for you, and then I make a recommendation of downloading our Splunk add-on for Microsoft Windows if you're bringing in those Windows event logs. And you can find a link here to our Splunk base. This app is very helpful to bring in and parse the data correctly, and also provides lookups to help convert an event code to an actual event message or what that event code is. So what I'm going to start off here is copying all of the XML in this box. The easiest way I find to do that is click these two little icons, and it's the copy icons, and Control C. Now I'm going to take this and come over to my Splunk environment. You'll have to decide which app that you want the dashboard to reside in. I'm going to pick Search and Reporting for this demo. Now I'm going to click on Dashboards, and then from here I'm going to click Create New Dashboard. We'll give it a title, Windows Account Management. You can decide to put whatever name or title that you would like to use. If you'd like to put a description in here, please do so. You can decide if you want to share this out or keep it private. I'm going to leave it private for now, and I'm going to create a dashboard. So now we're here at the editing UI of the dashboard, and there's not much going on here, so let's fix that. So let's click on Source and replace these three lines with the XML that I copied from Splunk. Once you have the XML copied in here, like I do here, you'll need to replace your index. So if you store all of your Windows event logs in index equals win event log, you'll be fine to go ahead and click Save and move forward. However, if you store all of your Windows relevant data inside of an index called Windows or something else, you will have to adjust this. So to show you how to do that, I have a bots data set on here, and if you've never heard of bots, it's our capture a flag event. You can actually download all of our bots data sets from the GitHub. So just do a simple Google search on Splunk bots dataset, and you should be able to find it on GitHub. If you have never competed in one of our competitions, I would highly recommend doing that, getting a team together. It's a lot of fun. So there we go. I should have one more here. So bots version 3. I'm going to click Save now, and now it'll take me just to the dashboard. I don't have any events yet because this is demo data, so I'm going to go to all time. Something I don't recommend on data sets that's been collected for 1 year, but for, like I said, this is demo data, so that's why I'm using all time. And as you can see, I have events here, and a high level I can see that a user account was created. One thing I don't like is the white background, so I'm going to adjust this real quick and turn this, use the dark theme. Click Save and click Refresh, and now it's a little bit easier on my eyes. So at the top here, I do give you a time range picker. I have the first panel that gives you a high level overview of all the different the events that's going on in your environment. This is a lookup sheet in the background that's looking at the event code, and this is why I recommend downloading our Windows add-on, because there's the lookup sheets are very helpful and takes event code number 1 2 3 4 and changes it into what it means. And now anything that's in blue is a drill down, or it's clickable. So I'm going to click on a user account was created, and as you can see, I have a second panel down here that provides the fields that have selected in here by default. I give you the time the event happened, the host, and the user. However, if you don't, you want more than what I have showing here, this field selection is dynamic. So I can click in that box and select other fields that are related to an account being created. So if I scroll down far enough, I will find source user. As soon as I click on source user, it adds it to the field selection and it adjusts my panel down here. So this is a dynamic changing field selection. I can easily come into edit if you want to see how I've done that and click on the pencil. And then, if you haven't worked with drill downs yet, our documentation does go over this. Maybe another day I'll create a video on how to do drill downs. Here's my token that I'll pass the values, and here is my default values, host and user. I can add or subtract. I actually have a delimiter. There is a space there. So in the preview, and I'll remove the space and I'll add the space, and you can see where value 1 and value 2. I did that on purpose. And then I have, this might be a little bit easier if I do that, dynamic options, where it is an inline search. Here's my search string. There's that index equals bots version 3. Here is my drill down, $sig $, which is short for signature. So I pass that down from the first panel to this search. And then I use a field summary command in combination with the where count greater than 0 to only show fields that are related to the signature I clicked on. So if you've never played with field summary or the where command, please go to our documentation, docs.splunk.com, and you'll be able to find more information about that. And now I'm going to hit cancel because I didn't make any adjustments. And then I'm going to hit cancel here. And that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and happy splunking.